The watch also features a barometer, an altimeter that can be calibrated, and a compass that gives you latitude and longitude information. Legion Pro is also perfect for sport lovers. We have more than 100 different activities you can track on the Legion Pro, including swimming that we didn't have on the Legion. You can also set your goals like calories, time or distance and let the watch tell you when you're done. So it's very convenient. And now if you like to know about your health, the watch will also give you a comprehensive health tracking including heart rate, sleep, including short naps by the way. You also have stress information and blood oxygen levels. So you can get the information quickly and adjust accordingly to improve your results. Another cool feature of the Legion Pro is Bluetooth calls. You can actually answer or even make calls by dialing the number directly on your wrist. It's a complete experience. You have a microphone and a speaker, and it's a very loud speaker, so even outdoor you can hear it very clearly. So it's perfect. You don't need your phone to answer any calls.